Unboxing and first impressions of one of the eagerly awaited smartphone in the flagship S series. We have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So Samsung launched three devices in the S22 series, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, the Samsung Galaxy S22 which is a base variant, and then we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the top end variant. Now this is the middle variant, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. This is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. This is after a long while Samsung is bringing the Snapdragon flagship to the S22 series, or rather S series. Now this also comes with a triple camera setup, really great camera setup. So in this video we'll be doing a quick hands-on. We'll talk about the software experience, the display, the camera, the battery life, the charging, everything we'll do in this video. So before getting into the detailed unboxing, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get into the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus unboxing. So this is the box packaging of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So as you can see, S mentioned and S22 Plus is mentioned. So there are three variants in the S22 series, as you all know: S22 Ultra, S22 Plus and S22 base variant. Now we have the middle variant, the S22 Plus. So let's quickly go into the device details. Let's first unbox it. So as you know, Samsung has stopped shipping with adapter. So this is a very slim box package, no adapter included. Now we have the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Phantom Black is what we have. And let's quickly go to the unboxing. So this device is priced 84,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. So let's take the device out. Now we also have a small box inside. So this has a SIM ejector pin, and you get USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and we have the details here. So you get dual SIM card, there is no SD card support, and heads are values 0.743. So that's all inside the box. So let's quickly go into the device now. So now we have booted the device, and you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So design wise, not much of change. Now we have the triple camera setup. You get glass finishing. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and Samsung branding. It's an aluminum frame. It's an armor aluminum frame, and here also you get the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. It's a 6.6 inches full HD dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus supported. It's a brilliant, or rather beautiful display. Samsung's Super AMOLED display. The touch response feels very smooth, and the overall quality of the display feels really nice. It's a solid display with great colors and great viewing angles as well. Now you can see that the frame is really good, great finishing, and even the build quality looks really good. It's a complete metal chassis, aluminum chassis, and here also you get the matte finish which feels really nice. So this is one of the really good looking device in hands, and just 198 grams. It's not a very heavy device. So that's the design aspect, and you get a USB Type-C port, speaker unit, and the SIM tray. A dual SIM card is supported. You get the microphones and side power and the volume keys, in-display fingerprint scanner. That's the in-display fingerprint scanner. And now next let's move on to the software. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is powered by the Samsung's latest software, the One UI, and this is on top of Android 12. That's one of the good things. The flagship device should be running the latest version, and this has the latest version of Android and One UI 4.1. Now if you look at the software experience, so you get all the options. Generally you see the dark mode, adaptive brightness, you can see here motion smoothness, adaptive, which will change according to the requirement, and you also get the standard option. So you can change it based on how you want the display to be. Then you get the always on display, wallpaper and theme customization, home screen layout customization. You get the face unlock fingerprint sensor. This is the in-display fingerprint sensor, and advanced features are also included. You get a lot of options. Then you get the memory management options, and here also you can see here 8GB of RAM is included, and you can also see the RAM plus option. That means extendable RAM feature is also included here. And this is the one with 120GB storage, and software feels really smooth and looks overall good. You get all the apps which you generally have. Then in terms of software, you get the Knox security and a secure folder, and all the Samsung's software tweaks you generally get on the flagship device, you get here as well. Now this device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, which is one of the really good chipsets available for flagship devices. Now after a long while, Samsung is bringing the Snapdragon powered S series to India. So typically Samsung's S series has been powered by the Exynos powerful chip, but this time around we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This is definitely a welcome move, and you get great performance all around. In our primary testing, it has been really superb experience all around. The 8GB RAM variant performed really well, so that's one of the good things. We'll be testing in detail when we post the detailed review. So next, let's move on to the cameras. So we have a triple camera setup, primary 50 megapixel f1.8 sensor, 10 megapixel telephoto lens which has 3x optical zoom, and you also get a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And on the front panel you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now in terms of video recording, you can see plenty of options are there. 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 60 and 30 fps, Full HD also 60 and 30 fps, then photo mode, portrait mode, and you get a plethora of options available here, including super slow motion, single take, night mode. So tons of options are included, so you can customize the camera and get the best experience. So let's quickly have a look at some of the camera samples we have got from this device. It's a stellar camera out there, a great performance all around. We'll be doing a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for our detailed camera review. But first testing, we found the camera to be really good. So that's the camera experience. So here are some camera samples taken with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So you can see from the images the quality looks impressive, top of the line quality. And one of the improvements with the S22 series is the night photography. So night photography has drastically improved on the S22 series, and you can see that the images are clear, crisp, and gets you a lot of details, and noise is literally avoided, and it's one of the best cameras in terms of night photography. So we'll be doing the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for our detailed camera review. We'll analyze all the aspects about the camera, so stay tuned for our detailed camera review coming up soon. Now this device comes with a 4500 mAh capacity battery, and it supports up to 45 watt charging. There is also wireless charging included, 15 watt wireless charging. There is also reverse charging included. Now 45 watt charger you need to buy separately. There is no 45 watt charger included with the box package, so you have to buy it separately. Now with the 4500 mAh capacity battery, you can expect a battery life of close to like 1 day or slightly more than a day. Since it's a flagship device, battery consumption also will be slightly on the higher side, but generally a 4500 mAh capacity battery should last a day easily. So we'll be testing that as well. So that was our experience with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So overall a great flagship device, which is priced 84,999 in India. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistant capabilities as well. Now the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced 84,999, and the next variant, that's 256GB storage variant, is priced 88,999. So that's the India pricing. So this is the unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.